Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.
Hello everyone and welcome back to your own channel Vskills, where we talk about skills, certifications and much more to help you stand out in your career. And today we are here to discuss top 5 absolutely free courses available for Selenium. Well, Selenium is one of the most popular open source automation tools used for automating web applications for testing. And if you are somebody who is interested in learning more about it, then here are the top 5 free courses that can help you get started. At number 1, we have Selenium WebDriver with Java. This free course is available on Udemy and covers the basics of Selenium WebDriver and Java programming. At number 2, we have Selenium Tutorial for Beginners, which is again a free course available on Guru 99 and is specifically designed for beginners and covers the basics of Selenium WebDriver. At number 3, we have Selenium WebDriver Complete course, which is available on YouTube and is a comprehensive guide to Selenium WebDriver. At 4, we have Selenium WebDriver Automation. This free course is available on Test Automation University's website and is again designed specifically for beginners and covers the basics of Selenium WebDriver. And last but not the least, we have Selenium for Beginners. This course is available on Pluralsight and is designed specifically for beginners and covers the basics of Selenium WebDriver. So this was about those 5 free courses, but when it comes to getting a job, it's not just your skills that matter, but also a proof of those skills, right? So now we are going to discuss those top 5 certifications that can add as a highlight on your CV. So let's look at those certifications. At number 1, we have Certified Selenium Professional by Vskills, which is India's largest certification body. At number 2, we have Selenium Certification by SeleniumHQ. At number 3, we have Certified Tester by ISTQB. At second last, we have Certified Selenium Professional by Test Automation University. And last, we have Test Automation Engineer by Applitools. So these were those 10 free courses and certifications that can help you get started in your journey. So without wasting any more time, start your preparation with Vskills Selenium Certification. All the best.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.